Hi everyone. Now let's discuss topic 6 of Unit 5, Cyber Law Case Studies. Cyber law case studies are real-world examples of how laws are applied to cybercrimes and digital disputes. They help us understand how the IT Act 2000 and global cyber laws are enforced in practice, showing both challenges and solutions in handling cybercrimes. In simple words, case studies are like real-life stories of cybercrime that teach us how laws protect individuals, organizations, and governments in the digital world. 2 mark questions. What is the importance of cyber law case studies? Name one cyber fraud case in India. Which section of IT Act deals with privacy violation? Mention one e-commerce cybercrime example. Give one lesson learned from software piracy cases. 5 10-mark questions. Explain the Satyam Computers cyber fraud case and its legal implications. Discuss a banking hacking case and the role of IT Act provisions. Describe a privacy violation case and the legal outcomes. Explain the importance of case studies in understanding cyber law enforcement. Illustrate with an example how intellectual property violations are penalized in cyberspace. Introduction to cyber law case studies. Cyber law case studies illustrate the practical application of legal provisions under the Information Technology (IT) Act, intellectual property laws, and global cyber regulations. By analyzing such cases, students and professionals gain a better understanding of how cyber laws are enforced in real-life scenarios. These case studies also highlight the challenges, legal loopholes, and penalties associated with different types of cyber offenses. Moreover, they provide valuable insights into preventive measures and ethical digital practices that can reduce the risk of cybercrimes. For example, in one case, a hacker who stole sensitive banking information was prosecuted under Sections 43 and 66 of the IT Act, demonstrating how the law is applied to punish cybercriminals and protect digital assets. Key case studies in India. One of the most well-known cases is the Satyam Computers cyber fraud, where company executives manipulated financial records and even used digital signatures to authorize fake transactions. This incident fell under the provisions of the IT Act 2000, Sections 66 and 72, as well as corporate fraud regulations. The outcome involved arrests and prosecution of those responsible, which highlighted the importance of secure digital authentication and maintaining record integrity in large organizations. Another major example is the Indian bank hacking cases, in which hackers gained unauthorized access to multiple bank accounts through phishing emails and malware-based attacks. The case was prosecuted under Sections 43, 66, and 66C of the IT Act 2000. The hackers faced fines and imprisonment, while the incident pushed banks to strengthen their security frameworks by adopting measures like two-factor authentication and enhanced monitoring systems. Privacy violation, WhatsApp image case. A notable privacy violation occurred in the WhatsApp image case, where personal images were shared online without the owner's consent. This was treated as a violation under Section 66E of the IT Act, which deals with privacy breaches, and Section 72, which covers confidentiality violations. The case resulted in legal proceedings that strongly emphasize the importance of user consent and privacy protection in cyberspace. E-commerce fraud, fake online store. Another significant case involved a fraudulent online store that collected payments from customers but never delivered the promised products. The incident was prosecuted under Section 66D of the IT Act for cheating by personation and Section 43 for causing financial damage. The offenders were successfully prosecuted, and the case highlighted the importance of consumer awareness and secure practices in e-commerce transactions. Intellectual property violation, software piracy. A major intellectual property violation came to light when a vendor was caught engaging in the unauthorized distribution of licensed software. This was a breach of the Copyright Act, along with Sections 43 and 66 of the IT Act, which address unauthorized access and misuse of digital property. The outcome of the case included fines, injunctions, and stricter enforcement. As a preventive measure, companies began implementing digital rights management (DRM) systems to protect their software. Importance of cyber law case studies. Studying cyber law case studies is essential because it demonstrates the real-world application of cyber laws and highlights the legal consequences of cyber offenses. They provide valuable learning points for organizations and individuals, helping them prevent breaches and implement better security measures. Case studies also support the development of policies, security frameworks, and ethical digital practices. For example, companies often adopt strict password policies, multi-factor authentication, and continuous monitoring to prevent hacking incidents illustrated in these case studies. Real-world lessons derived from case studies include the importance of using strong authentication and encryption to prevent hacking, respecting privacy and consent when handling digital information, and implementing digital rights management, DRM, and secure software distribution. Consumers should also verify the authenticity of e-commerce platforms before making transactions. Additionally, legal frameworks like the IT Act 2000 provide protection and recourse in case of cyber offenses, ensuring accountability and safeguarding digital assets. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.